What's up, y'all? It's Nia Imani here, back with another video, and I just wanted to come and give you all a quick little tutorial. This is a DIY deep conditioner that you can do at home. You might have to pick up a few ingredients, but I promise you guys it's simple and your hair will love it. So first and foremost, I'm going to be going in with Greek yogurt. This is actually dairy-free deep Greek yogurt and it's vanilla flavored, but honestly you could just use plain Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use mayonnaise, and if you don't have mayonnaise, you could just use your regular old, conditioner base. But basically, Greek yogurt is packed with protein, and protein is really going to make sure that your hair is strengthened. Greek yogurt also protects your hair from damage and split ends, and it's also rich in vitamin B5 and pantothenic acid that keeps your hair vibrant and full. And lastly, Greek yogurt is rich in lactic acid that keeps the hair hydrated. As the colder months approach us, it's really important that we keep our hair moisturized as well as hydrated. Alrighty, so next up we have avocado, and avocado is rich in biotin, and if you have not been under a rock, you know that biotin is going to help to promote hair growth. It's also rich in potassium that can help prevent hair loss, magnesium that promotes follicle growth, vitamin E that helps with wound healing, and this is particularly important if you do suffer from any scalp ailments like psoriasis, dermatitis, scalp eczema, folliculitis, those types of things. So avocado is really important for that. Alrighty, next up we have none other than banana, which is also rich in potassium that can also help to control dandruff. But banana also contains a high amount of vitamin A, and our cells need this vitamin for hair growth, and it also helps our skin glands to produce our natural oil that is known as sebum that keeps our scalp and our hair moisturized and healthy. So then we also went in and we added some Amla powder, which is rich in vitamin C that helps to fight off free radicals, and vitamin E that helps to heal wounds. Amla is also very conditioning to the hair, and it stimulates circulation, which thus, will help to stimulate growth for the hair. I also added in some ashwagandha that helps to prevent hair loss. It also improves scalp circulation, relieves dandruff, stimulates the production of melanin, which is responsible for our hair's rich and vibrant color. And overall, ashwagandha is just very conditioning to the hair. Then I added some honey, which is a natural humectant, meaning it binds with the water molecules and adds moisture to the hair, as well as adds shine and luster. Then I just took a few drops of my Imani Beauty elixir, which is perfect for hair growth, for strengthening your hair and keeping your hair moisturized. It is infused with 100 milligrams of CBD, as well as ayurvedic herbs like Amla, ashwagandha, and brahmi and horsetail extract that's going to really promote and aid growth, keep your hair strengthened, relieve inflammation associated with scalp eczema, scalp psoriasis, dermatitis, and dandruff. So after that, I just blend everything up in the blender. Like I said, you want to make sure you add a little bit more Greek yogurt than I did, and then I just apply it to my hair after I just freshly shampooed it. This is a deep conditioning mask. This is important that you can do this honestly before you shampoo. You can use it to help to detangle your hair. You guys can see I'm really able to get my fingers through my hair. This is going to literally melt in your hair like butter. Or you can put this into your hair after you shampooed. But all in all, this is really going to hydrate your curls, define your curls, keep your hair moisturized. I love doing this in the wintertime, especially when the air gets colder, your hair starts getting dry. This is really going to restore the moisture into your hair. I didn't mention, but avocado is really rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3 fatty acids are really going to keep the hair moisturized, and it's going to make sure that if you do have dull or dry hair, that it's going to bring that moisture back into your hair. Alrighty, so after I've applied it all over my hair, I'm going to just go in with a plastic cap. You can sit under a hooded dryer, but you don't have to leave this in overnight like that. This is something that's going to really bounce the curls back. And as you can see, my hair is so hydrated. It feels so soft. It honestly just feels amazing. This is something that, like I mentioned, I like to implement as the colder months approach. I want to keep my hair in a really good and healthy state, and this is also going to aid and promote hair growth. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video. If you like these types of recipes, let me know and I'll be happy to share, and I'll see you all in the next one.